So I was thinking on the drive back from personal training this morning, what can I do to get myself out of this funk that I'm in, this little rut? It's not bad by any means, I just don't really want to do anything. There's no joy in anything anymore. Everything feels a bit flat and just a bit grey. I'm not depressed by any means, but yeah, I'm sure you guys have probably had that feeling before. You're just a bit meh, whether it's this time of year, I don't know what it is, but I thought, right, we can't sit around feeling sorry for ourselves anymore. We've got to crack on, we've got to do some stuff. So what we're gonna start doing is exercising daily, running every day, and doing daily videos every day. I think doing daily videos for the next 25 days will get me out of my funk creatively. And if I haven't got 25 days worth of video ideas, then I'm gonna be doomed as a YouTuber. So fuck it, let's do it. Daily vlogs, candle business, training, working out, mindset, all that kind of stuff combined into one big package. So get ready to get to know me. Today's a work day, so I'll be going to work shortly, only a half day. So sort of 5-6 hours in the kitchen, cutting, chopping, prepping, preparing for the new menu, which goes live next week. I've got quite a few candles to sort of finish packaging down here. And then we'll get those sent to Amazon. And then I've got to pick the dog up from school. Not actually school, just a doggy daycare, but I like to make it out like he's going to school. Get him in the morning, take his little lunchbox, little backpack. But anyway. One box done, 40 candles in the box. Not quite as many as I hope to get in, but that'll do for now. Whip that to UPS, get the dog, come back, have some dinner. Lovely old job. We're back from daycare with a very sleepy doggy. We have secured the package. Hello, Witchy Boo. Are you okay? All right, time to make a few candles. Pretty cold outside, feeling pretty flushed, but we're gonna make a few candles, try and get a good solid 100 done today. So it's gonna be a bit of a silent vlog, really having a look tidy, making a few candles, get them sent off to Amazon hopefully next week. I've got a few wholesale orders to do as well for a couple of little shops. Yesterday had my best ever day on Amazon. Sold sort of 25 candles, which is really cool. That was about £450 in sales, so we're happy with that. And my best ever month on AdSense, so I think last month is gonna be sort of definitely up there with a decent amount of revenue and profit. Halfway through the candle making process. Kind of wish I didn't start because I'm a bit tired now. Ate a big pizza, so feeling a bit sleepy. But I need to maintain momentum. So November has been my best month so far this year, and then December's only going to carry on getting busier. The problem I had last year with Amazon, I just couldn't keep up with it. I just ran out of candles by like the 20th, and then it becomes a nightmare trying to get your inventory sort of checked in, because so many people are trying to do the same thing. It just becomes a bit of a bottleneck and a bit of a clog. So I want to try and get so many candles made and all my things sort of delivered via UPS to Amazon, so they're all checked in, so I can keep maximizing the amount of sales in Q4 up until about the 25th. So maintain momentum, that is the plan. And that's a wrap. 73, 74 candles done in the space of a couple of hours. Pretty happy with that. We'll let them set, get them labeled up, get them boxed off, hopefully sent to Amazon early next week. And that's the end of video number 1. The plan is to do another 24 in total. They might not be as long as this, and I think I've got enough content ideas to talk about in each one, so hopefully they're of value rather than me just vlogging and talking nonsense. Either way, gonna do it. 25 videos incoming. This is number 1. See you later.